so, such, much, so much, such as. What? Are you ready to learn how to use these similar sounding words in English? Well, let's go. Welcome back to Lingoni English. My name is Emily, and in this lesson, we're going to learn how to use the words so, such, such as, so much, and so many. Let's get started with the first word, so. So is an adverb used to express the degree or the extent of something. It's often used with adverbs or adjectives to show a level of intensity. For example, she is so happy. Or, wow, he runs so quickly. Okay, let's move on to such. Such is used to emphasize the quality of something or to refer to something specific. For example, she has such a beautiful voice. Or, wow, he is such a good friend. Now, if you add another word onto the word such, it changes it. We're looking at such as. Such as is a phrase we use before we give examples of something. It's just used to give examples without giving an exhaustive and complete list. Here's an example. Fruits, such as apples, bananas, and oranges, are very healthy. Or, I enjoy doing outdoor activities such as hiking and biking. Next up, we've got so much. Now, so much is always used with uncountable nouns. And if you've forgotten what an uncountable noun is, it's something like milk or water or rice, something that's not easy to count. And so much just indicates a large or considerable amount of this uncountable thing. For example, wow, I don't know how she does it. She really has so much patience. Now, we can add the word not in front of so much if there's not so much of something or a small quantity of something. So, again, use uncountable nouns with not so much. For example, hey, can you run to the store and get some milk? There's not so much left in this container. And then lastly, we've got so many. And so many, you might guess, is used for countable nouns. Now, just the opposite of uncountable nouns, countable nouns are nouns that can be counted quite easily. These are things like books or trees or kids or computers. And when you say so many, you're indicating a large amount or quantity of something. For example, Eliza is really popular. She has so many friends. And just like with so much and not so much, so many can also be said not so many, and this indicates a small amount or quantity of something. At her new company, she doesn't have so many vacation days. As you can see, when you say it in a sentence, the not actually comes a little earlier, so she does not have so many. Or maybe you're trying to eat a little healthier, so you might say, I don't want to drink so many sugary drinks. Okay, let's review what we just learned. Use so to express degree or intensity. Use such to emphasize quality or a specific thing. Use such as to introduce examples. Use so much with uncountable nouns to talk about a large amount of something. Or not so much with uncountable nouns to talk about a small amount of something. And then lastly, so many describes a large amount of something countable, while not so many describes a small amount of something countable. Although these words might sound similar in English, their meanings are vastly different and very important to know. How about you practice what you've learned by checking out our app at lingoni.com. There we've got a worksheet and interactive exercises for this lesson, as well as all other types of lessons we offer from A1 all the way to B2. If you're not sure if Lingoni is right for you, don't worry, we've got a free trial where you can test the app and get a feeling for what it's like to work with Lingoni. Well, that's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!